Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Shopify, an e-commerce platform that makes it easy to create an online store and start selling your products. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. To begin, open your browser and visit the official Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button and enter the required details to create your account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Step 2. Choose a theme. Next, you'll need to pick a theme for your store. Shopify offers a wide range of both free and paid themes. Browse through the theme store and select a design that best matches your brand and the type of products you're selling. Step 3. Add your products. After choosing a theme, it's time to add your products. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Enter important details like the product name, description, and price. You can also upload images or videos to showcase your products and make them more attractive to customers. Step 4. Customize your store. Now you can personalize your store's appearance. Shopify allows you to customize colors, fonts, layouts, and branding elements. You can add your logo, adjust the homepage layout, and make your store look professional and unique. Step 5. Set up payments and shipping. Next, set up how you'll receive payments and ship your products. Shopify supports multiple payment gateways such as PayPal and Stripe, so customers can pay securely. You can also configure shipping options like flat rate shipping or real-time shipping rates. Step 6. Launch your store. Once everything is ready, it's time to launch your store. Go to Settings, click on Domains, and connect your domain name. After that, your store will be live and ready to receive orders. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily build and launch your online store using Shopify. I hope you enjoyed this how to use Shopify, quick and easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.